Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be seeing if what they say is true about using toothpaste to get crayon marks off the wall. So let's see if it's true. So I got this from the dentist because I use charcoal toothpaste. Y'all can see that in my night routine toothpaste I use. But and the kind of toothpaste, ew, really? Okay, so the kind of toothpaste it is the 3D white Crest toothpaste. So let's see what it do. Online it says to do a little bit and gently rub it in. So I'm gonna start like with this purple over here. There's like some orange crayon down here and we're gonna see what it does. Hold up, I gotta zoom in. It looks like it might be working. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. And then it says take a damp cloth and wipe it. Oh my goodness, you guys, it's coming off. Okay. Let's add a little bit more toothpaste. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, that's so cool. I didn't know that could work. Okay, bet. Alright you guys, so I decided to speed this part up so you guys could actually see it come off faster. Also, this took me about 20 minutes to get this off of the wall. So if you have more crayon marks than I do, then it may take longer, but it really did work and I was super excited. Also on Google, it says to use toothpaste that has baking soda in it. I have charcoal toothpaste, so that's why I use the toothpaste that I got from the dentist. All right, no more crayon marks with the purple. Got all the crayon out and I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave comments down below, and subscribe to our channel because I got more content coming for you guys. Love you.